Hi, welcome to Fratello Initech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. So in this session I am going to explain about the any and all operators. These operators are used to compare a value with a set of values written by the subquery. So first one is any operator. It will returns boolean value as a result set and returns true if any one of the subquery values meets the condition. So any means that the condition will be true if the operation is true for any one of the values in a range. So here we have syntax. Select column names from table name, where column name and give the operator. So any of these subquery. So if the subquery values, any one of the subquery value meets the condition, then it will return true. So here we have queries. So write a query to retrieve all employees who earn more than any employees in HR department. So first we have to find out the salaries in HR department for this query. So select salary from employees, where give the department equals to HR. So firstly we have to find out the subquery, then we have to retrieve the outer query result. See that in the HR department, so one is null and the other one is 50,000. So we have to find out that, write a query to retrieve the employees who earn more than any employees in the HR department. So if there any employee earns more than these HR department salaries, so it has to display, so we have to display that employee details. So select that. So this is the subquery. Firstly we have to find out the result of the subquery, then we have to find out the superquery result. So select star from employee. If you take two tables, we can easily identify the result. So select star from employees, where we are searching the salary. So here we have to find out who earn more than any employee means, so here greater than any of this subquery result. So select and execute. See that these are the employees earns more than HR department salaries, 75,000, 68,000. So our HR department salaries, I thought that 55,000. Just select that. So only take HR department salaries. So compare all salaries. So this is the 50,000. So just select that. So compare this salaries with the 50,000. So 75,000, 68 and 60. So 88. These are all higher earners than HR department salaries. So this is the any operator and all operator. So and one more operator is all. All operator returns true if all subquery values meets the condition. So all operator used with the select and where and having statements. So all means that the condition will be true only if the operation is true for all values in a range. So here we have a query. So retrieve the employees whose salary is higher than all employees in the sales department. Firstly, we have to find out the salaries in sales department. Then we have to find out whose salary is higher than all employees in sales department. So select. First we have to find out the subquery result. Salary from employees, where department equals to sales. So select it and execute. So this is the 75,000 salary is in the sales department. So we have to find out who earns more than sales. Select star from employee. So I'm taking two tables here. So where salary greater than all employees. So here we are comparing all employee salaries. Select and execute. So here 75,000 salary is in sales department. So now we'll check others. So here so 75,000 is in sales. So IT and operations department having more salary than sales. So 85,000, 90,000, 80. These salaries are more than the sales department. So I have taken two tables here. So if you take so when you take two tables, so we can easily recognize the result of the queries. So this is all about any and all operators. So in this way we are using. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.